Welcome to Small Lathe. So, these have arrived. If you're a member of the channel and you've been watching the community videos and posts and whatever, you know I've been talking about these. These are stubby drill bits, which are a bit hard to find if you're not from the US. So, I found these on Aliexpress by accident. Definitely got a whole set. From 7 millimeters to 10, and from 10.5 to 13. This is what they had to offer, and I'm thinking they're looking good. Yeah, looking pretty good. I mean, right. So let's give them a go. Now, before I do that, I want to show you something. I'm gonna have to try and get it focused. So sorry about the. There we go. So if you could see there's a ridge here. There's a section cut like that over there. Focus. Please focus. Now, this is my smartphone taking the video. Right, so let's give it a go. I'm going to take... There's a piece of brass here, as you can see, some scrap material. And it's been drilled. I've already done some tests. 8.5. I'm going to jump to 10. So these bits are nice looking, but will they cut? Well, so far they do. And for the unit, 1.5 millimeter diameter drill is not that sort of easy. You have to be sharp. Well, the drill has to be sharp. Let's get going. It really helps if you try to tighten this thing. And now we're cutting. Okay, so we practically turned it into a washer almost. But I feel no resistance. It's cutting like butter. And the hole is really nice and smooth. Very, very smooth looking. Yep. Alright, so all in all, I'd say that it's a success. I think these are nice. And these are non-sponsored. I'm not affiliated to these in any way. Up to you guys if you wish to buy these or not. As for me, I think we're going to have a lot of fun together. I just hope they keep it up. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Have a sweet day.